Next question, actually there are quite a few questions. We have about, I suppose now, around about 100 questions. But we have already said that those who give names and address, they will receive a written reply. There are several questions.
Instead of that, you can announce that we have a German question program in England volunteer. A very talented German lady who speaks and understands Urdu very well, and German is her mother tongue, of course. The German participants put their questions before me and I answered them in Urdu. So the old ladies in German language, they can understand me directly in Urdu. And those generations and other Germans who do not understand a word of Urdu, they benefit from the translation. So all the questions which remain unanswered will be sent to London. And there, inshallah, in the next program, we'll try to answer the questions satisfactorily.